In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page vertically and horizontally with columns in Google Docs. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're creating newsletters, brochures, or just looking to add an extra layer of organization to your documents. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to utilize columns effectively to enhance your Google Docs experience. To begin, open the document you want to work on in Google Docs. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged into your Google account. This step is crucial because you can only access Google Docs through your Google account. Once you have your document open, consider the layout you wish to create. Are you looking for a simple two-column page, or do you want to add more complexity with additional columns? Understanding your goal will help streamline the next steps. Now let's head over to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Format. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find several options to modify your document's look and feel. Hover over Columns from this list. A submenu will appear, showcasing various column configurations. Here you can decide how many columns you wish your page to have. It can be 2 or 3, or even more if needed. Choose the configuration that best suits your needs. After selecting your preferred column layout, you'll observe immediate changes to your document. The text will automatically adjust to fit within the chosen columns, allowing for a more structured presentation. If you desire more control over the column width and spacing, return to the Columns menu and select More Options. This allows you to customize your columns further, adjusting the width and spacing of each column manually. The Preview section provides immediate feedback on how these changes will impact the layout. Once you're satisfied with your basic column setup and additional customizations, it's time to add a horizontal split if needed. Place your cursor where you want the split to occur and go back to the Insert menu on the toolbar. Select Break and then Horizontal Line. This adds a clean, subtle separation, acting as a visual divider within your document. Finally, review your document to ensure everything is aligned with your vision. It's a good habit to periodically glance over your layout and formatting, making any necessary tweaks. And there you have it. A beautifully organized page in Google Docs, neatly split both vertically and horizontally, ready to impress. Remember, practicing these steps on a test document can help solidify your understanding before applying it to your main project. Thank you for watching this Google Docs tutorial, and happy documenting.